guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to make ChatGPT generate images. As we all probably know, ChatGPT is a text-based AI, so it is beyond its capabilities to generate images. But to make sure, I've tested it. I asked ChatGPT to generate some image for me, but ChatGPT can only suggest other ways to generate images. So what we're going to do is to copy-paste this code. There's some type of an URL right here that says Pollinations AI. ChatGPT will use this to generate the image we want. In this URL, we can modify some elements to make a personalized image. For input, let's change it to the main object we want our image to feature. For example, a dog. Next, for output, modify change detail into what you want your main object to be doing. So, a dog playing with a ball. You can add an adjective like a brown dog. Or for adjective 2, I'm going to put cute dog. For visual styles, you can add how you want your image to look like. So, I'm going to put cute, playful, and for the third visual style, I'm going to type in lots of colors. Next is the artist reference. You can put here any reference of artwork if you want it to look like some artist's art style. Enter this to ChatGPT and immediately it will start to generate these images that we entered. It will show here a link to Pollinations AI. Copy this link and paste it to a new tab. Enter, and here you'll see the generated image. Let's try another one. I'm gonna change my input into a park. Next, for output, I'm gonna type in a park on hot summer day. And then, my adjectives would be nice park and colorful park. For visual styles, I'm gonna put sunny, warm, and then no people. Again, I'm gonna leave the artist reference blank. And here we can see that ChatGPT once again immediately generates an image according to our description. I'm going to open it once again on Pollinations AI. And there you have it. You have now successfully made ChatGPT generate images. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!